Childcare is ridiculously expensive. As a new mum, I get it. Most parents say it costs more than their rent or mortgage. And so many new parents are working just to pay the cost of their childcare. And some can't afford to go back to work at all. And when we compare Wales's childcare offer with what's available in England, it's clear that families in Wales have been let down by Labour. Labour in Wales have never invested in childcare in the way they should or could have done. If you elect a Plaid Cymru government on the 7th of May, we'll prioritise childcare in a way that Labour never has. We will deliver universal free childcare for every child from 9 months till 4 years old. Thousands of pounds back in parents' pockets just when they need it the most, and a better start in life for every child. Now people ask us, how are you going to pay for it? So let me break it down. Our new offer will be phased in so that we can work with childcare providers to absorb the expansion. At full rollout, it will cost 400 million, and we know that's a lot of money, but it's money we know will be coming to Wales. There's over 300 million extra allocated in the Welsh budget this year, and growth in that budget over coming years is more than enough to cover the cost of expanding childcare in Wales. This isn't a question of whether we can afford it. We can. This is a question of priorities, whether we can afford not to, because childcare isn't a luxury. It gives parents the ability to return to work or pick up extra hours. It supports families to get on and for children to have the best start in life. What better investment can we make in our future?